All right, for this lesson, you are going to read a story called The Contest and answer some questions about it. So you'll open it with Cami. The Contest is a myth. A myth has some similarities to a legend, which you read The Legend of the Marigold earlier this unit, but it is slightly different. A myth is a traditional story in the sense that it's been passed down from generation to generation, often told orally. It often deals with how something came to be or like what a people group was like early on. It often has some sort of supernatural element to it. So this is a myth about some gods and goddesses. If you've read Percy Jackson, some of the names will sound familiar. So there's this short 4 paragraphs. Read it or listen to it. You may want to read or listen to it multiple times to really understand and be able to create that mental image to visualize the story. And then you'll circle 5 words with open syllables. So they don't have to have all open syllables, just they should have at least one. Remember, ends in a vowel, has a long vowel sound. O, A, E, I, U. Number 2, how did visualizing what was happening help you understand the characters and events? Again, creating that mental image. How did it help you understand what was going on? Number 3, why were Athena and Poseidon called rivals in the story? Rivals are people or teams or countries that are against one another. So the Vikings and the Packers are often called rivals because they're not fighting against each other in this case, like playing against each other. Rivals could fight against one another. Not getting along. So why were Athena and Poseidon called rivals? And then underline sentences to support your answer. Number 4, why did the king name his city Athens? And then what cities do you know that were named after a person? Why is this person remembered? You might have to go look it up. If you don't know any, you can go look it up. That is just fine. There's a city in Ohio called Columbus. We have our capital is called St. Paul. There's a lot of cities named after people. So if you haven't heard of one or you are not sure why that person is remembered, you can always go look it up. You have Google right there to help you. Okay? Have fun reading this myth and let me know if you have any questions or need any help at all.